Oh, the sweet sound of that nitro. Bring back memories, I can tell you that much. Back when I was a young kid, my first RC was a 1/10 scale Panda RC, I think 10cc, rear wheel drive. I loved that thing. As you can hear in the background, that's a HPI Savage X 4.6cc. It's come a long way. Still the classic old school smell. The sounds, I love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is a quick video of the run-in and procedures. I just wanted to show you first starter. Here we have the new Savage X 4.6 block nitro powered HPI. Beautiful car. New latest release for 2021. I'm just going to do a quick video. Just going to start it for the first time. You need to do a running procedure where you've got to run two full tanks, which these tanks are massive. I can go to the shops and back on that at idle, and then you've got to have another 2 tanks kind of at half throttle around in circles or ovals and stuff like that. I'm not going to do that in this video. I just wanted to show you it first start and see how it performs and just see how it sounds. That's about it. Little fun video, not much else. I don't really want to run it in this backyard because my neighbours, I don't think they'll be my best buds after this. Alright, here we go. In the manual stage you have to have the truck elevated so the wheels are off the ground. First 2 tanks of fuel just run on idle, so you just let it run out and that's it. I'm using 25% nitro. They recommend 20 to 25%. So basic stuff here, same as any other nitro car. Always make sure you got a good battery for your servos. You don't want something low. Even if it does have fail-safe in there, it's still important to know. Make sure that your igniter is nice and charged up, and that's pretty much it. To prime fuel through, you hold your finger on the exhaust pipe and you pull the starter until you see fuel running through. This is the fuel hose that runs directly to the carburetor. When you see fuel going through there without any bubbles, she's good to go and primed up. You don't want to keep going because you can flood the engine and then it will lock up and won't do anything. So everything is set to factory settings. You can always tell when the needle here is flush with the surface, so that's flush there, so the high end and the low end, and also the idle screw, which is just here as well. If that's all flush, then it should be good to go, and that's from factory, so it should be good. Air filters on. I think that's it. So I'll put the camera down and let's start it up. Too high, it's hard to hear me, the wheels will be spinning, so just leave it like that. Alright, let's go check it. Check the temps. Let's come back in here so you can hear me. Tank takes forever to empty, that's for sure. If anyone wants to know, this is a UT302D temp gun. Really good quality one. But as you can see, the temp's 110, so that looks what it says. That's what it says in the manual, so happy days. I put the idle screw back a little bit so it lowers it and also riches it up. Golden rule, you always want to have blue smoke, you know, especially when you're idling and running in, so happy days. Looks good. I'll hopefully that finishes. Man, that tank's going to take forever. It's a huge ass tank, so happy days. See you in a bit. Okay, if anyone's interested, I'm using AT Racing 25% premix nitro, and I'm using this Reedy Lifey battery for the servos, and I have to get this. Well, I didn't have any more of these, so I don't know where it was. Tornado glow plug igniter, but bought from Crazy Hobbies, best RC shop there is. It's nearly done. Well, there we go, that was its first tank, and that took ages. Should have timed it, but wow. Let's check the temps. It just shut off. Let's have a look. Well, shut off about a minute ago, so it's still max 97, so perfect. I adjusted the idle screw just a little bit, and that's that guy right there. They are pretty flush, and I just richened it up a little bit. If the temps are getting a little bit too high, richened it up, gives more fuel and more oil, which is what's running through this. And if we move the car here, there we go, there we've got that nice sludge of oil, which is fine. That was just getting captured on that. It's a little lid here, so it's got a bit of a lip. Perfect. You always want to make sure it's blowing nice blue smoke, especially under acceleration, but when you're running, I mean, you always want to see kind of a bit more than normal, and at least some fuel spitting out of the exhaust. It's doing no harm at all. It's doing more good to the engine, because, you know, if you run these too lean, especially during the, your running period, you're going to score the bore or the sleeve, and that's it. You're not going to have a long running motor, and a reliable one at that, or whole tune. So I'm not too sure if I'm not going to probably show you another running of the tank. I just wanted to do a quick video showing this started. I'm not going to run it in my yard because the neighbours are going to get shit at me. So that's it. Quick video. Wanted to show you getting up and running, and next time we'll see it, I should be bashing it around. Cheers, guys.